What the fuck, Astro?
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm showing you how I did my nails. First, I went ahead and already added tips to a couple of my fingers using the IBD nail glue, and I also pushed my cuticles back and clipped them as well using the SC cuticle oil. It's the apricot oil, I believe. This nail style can be done on natural nails and or with tips, but now I'm showing you the buffing block that I used. It's four-sided, so you can use different sides, and it explains it for you. Now I'm just prepping my nails with the primer. So for my primer and my base coat and top coat, I'm using the Red Carpet brand, but you always want to start by doing your thumbs first with gels because of the purpose of wanting to cure each side. So now I am taking my base coat from the Red Carpet brand, and I'm applying that all over my thumb. You can also purchase this brand at Ulta. I'm sure you can get it on Amazon too. Another good brand is Gelish. I know you can get them on Amazon for your base top coat and primer. This was something that I already had from previous time where I was doing gel nails, and I just kind of stopped, so I already had it. So once I've finished painting my thumb, I'm curing it in my LED gel lamp for 60 seconds. I purchased my gel lamp off of Amazon for 20 bucks. You do not have to spend a lot of money on a gel light. They all do the same thing. So once I've let that sit and cure, I'm about to go on and do the same thing to the rest of my hand.
What the fuck, Astro?
Alright, so once you have done your base coat, moving on to the fun part. This is my Gelish Structure Gel. This is a hard gel. Basically, it's going to give you the illusion of acrylic or dip powder. It's a thicker consistency than normal gel, so it's also going to help with your nail structure staying stronger and allowing them to grow a lot longer without breaking. This has made my nails look cute as well as stay on very, very well without any problems like with using dip powders and acrylics and things like that. At the end of the day, I can soak this off without any problem. So now I'm just continuing to add a couple of coats. I want to say about 3 coats of the structure gel because I wanted to get the amount of thickness that I liked so I can go in and shape my nails how I wanted them. Also, disclaimer, you want to make sure that each coat that you do is a very thin coat because if you do a really thick coat, you might have trouble with lifting, so you want to make sure your longevity is not a problem with this. So after curing for 60 seconds for each layer, I'm just going in and shaping my nail how I want it, because with the structure gel, it doesn't turn out how like you can with acrylic or dip powder and you shape it how you want with the product. This is kind of like a brush on, so you have to go in and reinforce the shape. Also, after shaping, I just take a lint-free wipe and I just wipe all of the dust and debris off. It also has a little bit of alcohol on it, so I'm just making sure my base is clean before I take my gel color, which I'm using OPI Samoan Sand. And I do 2 coats of this gel polish and I let it cure for about 45 seconds. You could do 3 coats just to give it a more of a fuller color. I wanted it to be sheer, so I just did 2 coats. Also, remember to make sure that you're doing your thumb first, always, because if not, it will not cure all of the way on each side. When painting your color on, as you can see, I swiped on the top of the tip. This is just to cap all of the gel, so when I am done, I don't have any trouble with chipping or lifting right at the tip of my nail. Once you're finished adding your color, you're now going to just take the top coat and set everything in place, as well as capping as well. You don't want to forget to cap the top coat, because if not, it'll chip the color and you do not want that. So make sure you do that. Also, don't forget to wipe away the tacky layer on the top coat, and then once you've done that, you can do this step where I am just moisturizing my cuticles with a little bit of my SC cuticle oil. And then that is it, guys. If y'all have any questions, concerns, or comments, don't forget to leave them down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.